At SOS Cleaning and Restoration, we understand the dangers of mold. Its spores can cause breathing problems, skin irritation, and even throat and eye discomfort. That's why we specialize in mold damage removal in Savage, Minnesota, offering safe, fast, and effective solutions. Your family's health and comfort are always our top priority. Mold isn't just unpleasant, it's a serious hazard that can spread quickly if left untreated. We act fast to minimize damage and restore your home to safety. Our team doesn't just remove visible mold. We identify the root cause to ensure the problem is comprehensively and conclusively resolved. Homeowners across Minnesota trust us for our professionalism and compassionate approach. We treat every home with the care it deserves. From inspection to complete restoration, we handle the hard work so you can regain peace of mind. Our goal is to protect both your property and your health. Call us today at 952-847-3404 or visit soscleaningandrestoration.com/areas-served-savage-mn. SOS Cleaning and Restoration, restoring homes, protecting families.